Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your invites and invite people to groups in the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Facebook app, and then here it opens up in the feed. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three lines, then tap on groups, then we go into the top right corner and tap on the cog, and here we find invites as the last option. We tap on that, and here we can invite people to the groups that we are part of just by tapping on the invite button. And here we just search for friends that we have that we want to invite. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.